Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson, we are going to be using the suffix ly to change adjectives into adverbs. This is a level 2 skill. There is some vocabulary that we need to understand for this lesson, so we will begin by talking about that. A verb is a word that is used to describe an action or doing something, for example, talk, climb, or sing. A verb can also be used to describe something happening or feeling something. A sentence is not complete without a verb. Let's look at an example. In this sentence, Jake talked to his teacher. The verb is talked. In the next sentence, the dog barked. The verb is barked. What is an adverb? We can use adverbs to make our writing more interesting. An adverb is a word that gives more information about a verb. It tells us how the verb happened. In this sentence, Jake talked to his teacher. We can think about how Jake talked to his teacher. He might talk quietly, so we can add the adverb quietly into the sentence. Jake talked quietly to his teacher. In this sentence, the dog barked. We have already identified that the verb is barked. Now we can add an adverb to describe how the dog barked. The dog could bark loudly, so the adverb is loudly. The dog barked loudly. Here are some more examples of adverbs: slowly, excitedly, and bravely. If you look carefully at these adverbs, you will notice that they all end in the suffix ly. If we take the suffix ly away, we are left with the adjectives slow, excited, and brave. So to change an adjective into an adverb, all we need to do is add the suffix ly. If we look at the adjective calm, we can simply add the suffix ly to change it into the adverb calmly. The root word calm has stayed exactly the same. Here is another example. If we look at the adjective kind, we can add the suffix ly to change it into the adverb kindly. Again, the root word has stayed exactly the same. If an adjective ends in a y, we need to change the root word before we add the suffix. This time our adjective is happy. You will notice it ends in a y. So what we need to do is to change that y to an I and add the suffix ly. So happily is HAPPILY. Ruby happily bought some flowers from the shop. The adverb happily tells us how Ruby bought the flowers. This time our adjective is greedy, which again ends in a y. So to change the adjective greedy into the adverb greedily, we have to change the y at the end of greedy into an I and add the suffix ly to make greedily. GREEDILY. The monkey greedily ate a banana. The adverb greedily tells us how the monkey ate the banana. This time we are going to look at adjectives that end in le. Our adjective is gentle. If you look closely, you will notice that gentle ends in le. The spelling rule is, if an adjective ends in le, we need to take off the le and then add the suffix ly. So our adverb is gently, GENTLY. I gently cuddled my teddy. The adverb gently tells us how the teddy was cuddled. Here is another example. This time the adjective is sensible. If you look closely, you will notice that it ends in le. So to change the adjective sensible into the adverb sensibly, we need to take off the le and add the suffix ly. Sensibly is SENSIBLY. The children sensibly tidied their classroom. The adverb sensibly describes how the children tidied their classroom. Here is a summary of what we have been learning. Most of the time, we can just add the suffix ly to change an adjective into an adverb. If the adjective ends in a y, we need to change the y to an I and then add the suffix ly. And if the adjective ends in le, we take off the le and add the suffix ly.